Welcome. In this video I will tell you how to make your Samsung the Frame TV work smoother and faster. So start by removing unnecessary applications which you can discover in Apps menu. Just hold the OK button on the application that you want to delete, then select delete and then confirm your choice, and this way you will get rid of all the apps that can use your TV's background. So and also they occupy your device's storage and can gather cache and other data on your device. The next thing that you can do is go to settings and change the picture mode to the echo mode, and also in all settings menu go to general and privacy, go to power and energy saver, enable brightness optimization here, enable motion lighting and enable the screensaver options. Besides, you should go to the support tab and select software update and make sure that you have auto update enabled here, and from time to time select update now to let your device check for available updates, and if there are any available software updates then let your TV update to the latest version. And also ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So in the Wi-Fi menu, make sure that you're using a 5G Wi-Fi network. And the last thing is regularly restart your TV by holding down the power button for a few seconds to turn it off. And then unplug your TV for around 30 seconds, then plug it back in, and this will remove some temporary files that usually cause your TV to work slower. And so that's all the pieces of advice for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.